All right, so it is freezing out, and we're going to go ahead and install this new DMAX store fuel cap. I absolutely love the look of it. I love the fact that it is magnetic. That's going to come in handy. So mine is junk. I don't even want to use this tether, but I can still put it on there. I don't even have a green one. So we're going to go ahead and put the tether in like this. All right, so I got the tether in there. Oh. Oh, that is nice. Nice little click. I don't know if you can hear that. Here's the click. That's it. It's that simple. You may not have to do it. It's a great upgrade for a great option. I like it. I've needed a new fuel cap for a while. I like that it's a billet fuel cap. I like that it's just extremely green. For some reason right now, it's funny to make videos of people putting gas in diesel trucks and diesel and gas trucks. It's not funny. It's not even a joke. Sometimes it's funny. But anyways, that thing's cool as shit. Good shit, DMAX store. I like it a lot.